Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. There's a lot of stuff going on this week, so let's get into it. First and foremost is rollover for your futures contracts. If you have been trading the September contracts on these indexes or really anything else, they are going to expire at the end of this week. Now, as you can see, I usually keep the September and the December contracts on my radar screen as we come up to rollover. But now I can actually take these September contracts off because the volume for December has now surpassed that of September. So we are good to go with the Z contracts, or 12, obviously, for the month of December, depending on your brokerage. So that's the first thing. And all rollover means, if you've never gone through it before, is that you get out of your September contracts because they do expire at the end of this week. You cannot stay in them. And if you want to, you can start a new position in the December contract. The thing that you want to pay attention to is just volume. You never want to go too far out if there isn't enough volume to support what you are looking to do. So that's the first thing. That also leads me into what's happening on Friday. It's options expiration in addition to quad witching, which happens 4 times per year. What that means is often some extra volatility. So just be very, very careful this week. And on top of that, another reason to be very careful this week is that it's Fed week. The FOMC announcement is happening on Wednesday. So I'm looking forward to that. And this business right here is very common for Fed week. This was the Dow this morning's price action on a 10-minute time frame. A lot of action at the open, like, hey, let's go higher, 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 and then just pull back entirely. And then from that point, like, really not a lot of anything going on. I mean, we basically like did essentially like a 50% retracement with this whole thing, and we kind of just stopped and chilled at that point. So tomorrow maybe even less action, although tomorrow there are other economic news releases in the morning, so that could add a little bit more movement. We'll see what happens, but just be prepared for lots of indecision, as many people do wait until the announcement on Wednesday. That goes for Wednesday morning as well, prior to the Fed announcement, and then, of course, the press conference. So it's going to be an exciting week. I wish you the best. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.